In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of monday.com. Logging out of your account is a simple yet essential action, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. It's an important habit to ensure your personal and company data remain secure. Let's walk through the steps together so you can do this effortlessly. First, you want to start by navigating to the monday.com website. This is the central hub for all the amazing collaboration and project management this platform offers. To get there, simply open your web browser and type in the URL www.monday.com, then press enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar monday.com dashboard populated with all your boards and workspaces. This is where all your projects are hosted, but our focus today is on safely exiting your account. Now that you're on the monday.com homepage, the next step is to locate your profile icon. Typically, you'll find this in the top right-hand corner of the webpage. It might be a circular icon, often showcasing your profile picture or initials. This icon is your gateway to various account settings and options. So, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will magically appear, revealing a list of options you might find helpful for managing your account. From the drop-down menu, your task is to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll find the logout option. It's usually one of the last options listed, as it's something you might not use as frequently as other features, but it's vitally important. Once you see log out, simply click on it, and voila, you have successfully logged out of monday.com. This action ensures that your session is closed, protecting your data and keeping your account secure from unauthorized access, especially if you're stepping away from a computer that others might use. As a quick tip before we wrap up, it's always a good practice to double check that you've logged out properly. You can do this by trying to refresh the monday.com page. If you're directed to a login screen asking for your credentials, then congratulations, you're officially logged out. It's crucial to form this habit every time you finish working on a shared computer, ensuring your information stays private and secure, and there you have it. A straightforward and efficient way to log out of your monday.com account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos just like this.